Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we will talk about how to pair Bluetooth headphone in Vivo Y15c phone. Guys, we want to pair this Bluetooth headphone to your phone, so guys you can pair. And guys, now let's see how to pair it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to pair this Bluetooth headphone. Then guys, click on Bluetooth and devices. Guys, on your Bluetooth, and guys click on your Bluetooth option. And guys, pair new device. Guys, you want to pair, click here. And guys, on your Bluetooth headphone from this button, so it will on. And guys, refresh it. As you can check guys, available device. So guys, you can see guys your headphone name. And guys, click on your headphone name, and guys it will pairing, as you can see. So it will pair after 5 and 6 seconds. And now guys, you can use your Bluetooth headphone while watching movies, listening song, cartoons. Guys, you Bluetooth headphone has paired in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.